today I'm going to teach you how to make a plastic ribbon bow. This is a plastic ribbon which you get everywhere in any craft stores. This is the bow that we are going to make. So I'm going to show you how to make the bow. For this we will cut 12 inches strip of ribbon, 4 pieces, one 6-inch ribbon and one long 14-inch ribbon. So now let's assemble the ribbon. We hold the two ends of the ribbon together and try pinching it in the center. Then we just staple it to adhere it together. We do the same for all the 4 12-inch ribbons. All the 12-inch ribbons are ready. We take the 6-inch ribbon and we roll it. Again we hold the two ends together, and this time we don't punch it, we just keep it as a round circle and staple it. It looks like a round ring. Now we assemble the ribbon together. For this, first we make a plus sign and we staple it in the center. Then we put third ribbon diagonally, again staple it. Then we put the fourth ribbon diagonally, it looks something like this. The ring that we have made, we'll put a little double tape here. We put this double tape here. We stick it on top of the ribbons. So it looks like a ribbon. Now the long end that we have taken, the 14-inch, we'll take a scissor and we'll just press and stretch it. So it gives a nice little curl. Now we are going to just tear it with our hand into thin strips. I'm cutting here about 4 strips. We are going to hold all the pieces together and just staple it to hold them together. So our curls are ready. Now we put a tiny little double-sided tape at the back of the ribbon. We put this adhered end on the tape and we get a nice little